Welcome back on my channel. We will continue uh, alcohol, phenol and ethers, class 12th, and the subtopic is methanol. Methanol CH3OH, also known as wood spirit, was produced by destructive distillation of wood. Today, most of the methanol is produced by the catalyst hydrogenation of carbon monoxide at high pressure and temperature, and in the presence of ZNO Cr2O3 catalyst CO plus 2H2O ZNO Cr2O3, okay, in the presence of 573 to 673 Kelvin temperature, and it will give CH3OH. Methanol is a colorless liquid and boils at 337 Kelvin. It is highly poisonous in nature. Ingestion of even a small quantity of methanol can cause blindness, and large quantities cause even death. Methanol is used as a solvent in paint, varnishes and chiefly for making formaldehyde. Okay, so next one is ethanol. Ethanol C2H5OH is obtained commercially by the fermentation. The oldest method is from sugar. The sugar is molasses, sugar cane. Okay, sugar cane. Fruits such as grapes is converted to glucose and fructose, both which have the formula C2H5 C6H12O6 in the presence of an enzyme in what is glucose and fructose undergo fermentation in the presence of another enzyme which is found in yeast. C12H22O11 plus H2O C6, okay, in what is C6H12O6, which one is glucose, and C6H12O6 is fructose. Okay, but name is different. Okay, C6H12O6 with the help of Zymes converted into 2C2H5OH plus 2CO2. Okay, in wine making, grapes are the source of the sugars and yeast. Okay, as grapes ripen, the quantity of the sugar increase and yeast grows on the outer skin. When grapes are crushed, sugar and then enzyme came in contact and fermentation starts. Fermentation takes place in anaerobic condition. In absence of air, carbon dioxide is released during fermentation. Okay, the action of a zyme is inhibited once the presence of alcohol formed exceeds 14%. Okay. If air gets into fermentation mixture, the oxygen of air oxidized ethanol to ethanoic acid within in turn destroy the taste of the alcoholic drinks. Okay, ethanol is a colorless liquid with boiling point 351 Kelvin. It is used as a solvent in paint industry and in the preparation of a number of carbon compounds. The commercial alcohol is made unfit for drinking by mixing in it some copper sulfate to give it a color and pyridine, okay, a foul smelling liquid. It is known as the denaturation of alcohol. Okay, nowadays large quantities of ethanol are obtained by hydration of ethene. Okay, so this is the explanation of the ethanol and methanol. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. समझ में आया तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें और कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं कि समझ में आया कि नहीं. थैंक यू.